Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asim Junaid, and today we will talk about conflict resolution. Conflict resolution is a critical skill that involves understanding and addressing disagreement in a constructive manner. This presentation will provide an overview of the essential aspect of conflict resolution, including its definition, its types, what are the causes of the conflicts, and what are the strategies to resolve it, and what are the better ways to communicate. First of all, we will discuss about the definition of conflict resolution. So, conflict resolution refers to the methods and process involved in facilitating the peaceful ending of conflict and retribution. It encompasses a range of approaches aimed at resolving disputes, whether they arise in personal relationships, workplaces, or broader societal context. So, approaches to conflict resolution is first involves that of the societal context, personal relationships, and workplaces. So now we will move towards types of conflicts. So there are majorly four types of conflicts. Number one is interpersonal conflict. Number two, intrapersonal conflict. Number three, group conflict. And number four is organizational conflict. Interpersonal conflict, disagreement between individuals, often arising from differences in values, beliefs, or interest. Intrapersonal conflict, internal struggles within an individual, such as conflicting desires or emotions. Number three is group conflict, disputes that occur within or between groups, often due to competition for resources or differing goals. Organizational conflict, conflicts that arise within an organization, typically involve issues such as policies, procedures, and management. So these are actually four types of the conflicts: interpersonal conflicts, intrapersonal conflicts, group conflicts, and organizational conflicts. So now we will talk about what are the major causes of conflicts. So number one is miscommunication. Number two is differing values. Number three Number three is competition for resources. And number four is personality clashes. So these are the four major causes of conflict usually we see in our daily life or in office work or in relationships. Number one, miscommunication means poor communication can lead to misunderstanding and misinterpretations. Number two is differing values. Conflicts often stem from differing beliefs, values, or priorities among individuals or groups. Competition for resources. Limited resources can create tension and rivalry. Personality clashes. Differences in personality traits can lead to friction between individuals. So these are actually more four main causes of the conflicts. Personality clashes, competition for resources due to limited resources, miscommunication can lead to misunderstanding and can be the can arise conflicts in the offices. And number fourth one is differing values. So, what are the strategies for conflict resolution? There are four methods which are there are five methods which are famous. Number one is active listening. Number two is empathy. Number three is collaboration. Number four is compromise, and number five is mediations. So we'll talk about the number one, active listening. What is active listening? Active listening is very important. Engaging fully in the conversation to understand the other party's perspective is very important for resolving conflicts. Number two is empathy, demonstrating understanding and compassion towards the feelings and viewpoints of the other. Number three is collaborations, working together to find a mutually beneficial solutions that satisfies all parties involved. Number four, one is compromise. Each party gives up something to react an agreement, often leading to a quicker resolution. Mediations, involving a third party to facilitate the resolution process and help navigate the problems. So, these are some methods or strategies for effective conflict resolutions. What am Importance of effective communication. Effective communication is vital in conflict resolution. It helps to clarify misunderstanding, express feelings, and articulate needs. The key component of communication, effective communication, includes clarity, respect, and openness. So these are the pathways to peaceful communication. Number one is clarity, ensure clear understanding and reduces misunderstanding. Number two is respect. Okay, maintains dignity and foster positive interactions. Number third is that of the openness, encourage honest dialogues and new perspectives. So, in conclusion, we can say conflict resolution is an essential skill that can significantly impact personal and professional relationships. By understanding the types and causes of conflicts, employing effective strategies, and prioritizing communication, individuals and organizations can navigate disputes more effectively and create a more harmonious environment. Emphasizing this principle can lead to improved collaboration, trust, and overall satisfaction in various aspects of life.